So this shouldn't be a video that is too long. It's more of a follow-up video when I just got this laptop. So just in case if you haven't watched the first video yet, so this is a 14-inch M1 Pro base model, new MacBook Pro. This is the cheapest model you can buy. It's been 6 months now. I want to talk about some of the changes I had compared to when I just got this laptop. So one of the first one is I am regretting it. I bought a 14-inch model. I didn't buy a 16-inch model. Technically, I bought both of them when I make that review, but after a week of using it, I actually did choose a 14-inch model because it's more portable. Back then, I was thinking if I'm using a big external display, 14-inch model should be good. Basically, after so many months, even though when I'm editing video, I'm using this big external display, but I am actually consuming a lot of content, YouTube, Disney Plus, movies, lay on the couch using this amazing mini LED Dolby Vision HDR certified amazing best display ever in a laptop. Watching content is amazing on there, but it is just a little small, especially compared to some of the even the 15-inch laptop. The 16-inch one is actually, if you look at them in person before, it looks way bigger than the 14-inch. For consuming content, they're just awesome. If you are arguing about buying 14-inch or 16-inch, don't argue anymore, just buy the 16-inch. Back then I was recommending a 14-inch, but no, right now I'm recommending a 16-inch now. Second thing is, I do run into a little problem with software optimization side of the device. It's happened really randomly. I don't know if I can recreating that, but a certain time in Premiere Pro, it lagged, but it lagged at the time that it's not supposed to lag. Also with a lot of other software like Photoshop, After Effects, even Lightroom, it has some sort of occasionally glitch. Like I said, it doesn't really happen all the time. All I have to do is close Premiere, reopen it up, and usually nice. Another thing is I do run into some speaker problem. So when I just got here, it was awesome, perfectly fine. But now, I haven't damaged the speaker or anything, but the left speaker seems to having a little problem. Here's a little test here.
Trick or treat, I was knocking at your door every week, and I saw you on my porch and cookie. What a great gift, like a basket of goodies. You were cold as an icy.
So yeah, these problems shouldn't be really hard to fix. I should take it to Apple, and there's a huge chance that it's covered under warranty, so they should be fixed for me for free. So another thing I want to mention is for the keyboard. When I just got it in my original review, I mentioned that this is one of the best keyboard I ever used. Right now, I do want to change my mind a little bit. Basically, after 6 months of using it, typing 15-page essay, I'll have to say this keyboard is really good on short bursts in terms of, can you guys hear it? Terms of Google search, iMessaging, those type of stuff. But when you get into a little longer typing, for example, typing for a 15-page essay, like I mentioned earlier, you do get sick and tired of it. This keyboard doesn't really provide much travel, so after a while you do feel like you're kind of typing on the table a little bit. But overall, it's still 1 to 10 in a laptop. This will be somewhere like a 7 or 8, 8.5. It's still really good. So you might see here, I did just bought another Windows laptop. I want to address that. I am not switching back to Windows. I still love my new MacBook Pro, but the reason why I buy this Windows laptop is I miss gaming. I bought this Windows laptop. This is an Asus Zephyrus G14. I actually made a video on it. You guys can check it out on my channel. I bought this Windows laptop, basically used as a gaming console. I only game on here. The reason why I didn't buy a traditional gaming console like Xbox or PS5 is I play a lot of games using keyboard and mouse. I just don't think I'll get away with that. So that is the reason why I bought a gaming laptop. Recently, I just discovered another thing is the Steam Deck. But the only thing is, I think so many people want their hands on it. Right now, the only people who has it is the people who ordered last year. So I just put my reservation on a Steam Deck yesterday. I think on there it says estimate date I got it is by the end of this year. So it's still gonna be a couple months until it arrives, and I didn't even know how well the Steam Deck going to work. So in the meantime, I am still going to game on this laptop. So that's pretty much it. That's actually all the, I wouldn't say all of them are issues, but a lot of the little glitches here and there for the past 6 months I use this laptop. But overall, I do think I still love it. I made so many videos on there. They just make everything way more easier. So yeah, that's about it. See you guys in the next video.